Are you struggling to understand how much a home really costs in the Chicago and Chicago suburbs? With factors like income, inflation, and insurance, and other related expenses, it can be overwhelming to get a clear picture. But don't worry, today I'm going to break it all down for you. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, serving the Chicagoland area and the suburbs. Today, we're going to dive into the true cost of owning a home and how various factors impact your budget. So let's get started with income and home affordability. Your income plays a significant role in determining your budget for a home. Generally speaking, it's recommended to spend no more than 30% of your gross income on housing. But with the ever-rising prices, finding a home that fits within this range, it can be challenging. Inflation also affects home prices. As inflation rises, so do property value and the cost of living. This means that homes that were affordable a few years ago might now be out of reach. We are seeing this all over Chicago and the suburbs. And if you have a particular area you want to inquire about, please let me know and we can go over that specific area on the house value. Don't forget about insurance costs. Homeowners insurance in Chicago can vary based about location, the age of the property, and other factors. It's very crucial to factor this into your monthly expenses to avoid any surprises. Other real estate expenses include property taxes, which can be a significant in certain suburbs, maintenance costs, and utilities. All these elements combined can give you a true cost of owning a home, and it's super important to know the taxes on the property before looking at it. The taxes play a huge factor on your payment, and it's very possible that the tax exemptions could be added on a property. But once you buy it, after a year, those exemptions could be removed and your taxes could go high. So please always call me and ask me about those property taxes. Let's break it down for you. Income, 30% of your gross income, right? Inflation, increasing property values. Insurance, variable costs. Other expenses, taxes, maintenance, utilities. I understand this could be daunting, but that's where I come in as your expert agent. As your dedicated real estate guide, I'm here to help you navigate these complexities. Call me at 773-550-4846. Let's work together. Let's find your budget. Let's get your needs, and I'll hold your hand through the whole entire process so you're not alone. And if you find this video informative and educational, please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching, and let's make your real estate dreams come true.